Girls School. I am Satish Kumar Sinha. Today I am going to discuss the topic force and different types of forces. Force. A force is an external influence that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body in a straight line. So what is force? And force is an external influence which changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body in a straight line. Now force is a vector quantity, and SI unit of force is Newton, and CGS unit of force is dyne. Now force is of two types: balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Balanced forces, if the resultant of number of forces acting on a body is 0, forces are said to be balanced forces. Balanced forces means if the number of forces acting on a body and the resultant force of that all the forces is 0, then it is said to be balanced forces. So balanced forces does not produce acceleration in a body. Next is unbalanced forces. If the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is not 0, forces are said to be unbalanced forces. Now we illustrate with some examples when it is said to be balanced forces or unbalanced. In first case, if two forces of magnitude 4 Newton and 6 Newton acts on a body in the same direction, then what is the resultant of these two forces? So if two forces 4 Newton and 6 Newton acts on a body in the same direction, then resultant force of these two forces is equal to sum of these two forces is equal to 4 Newton plus 6 Newton is equal to 10 Newton. So resultant force is equal to 10 Newton. Now if second example, so this is the case of unbalanced force. Now in second case, suppose two forces 4 Newton and 6 Newton acts on a body in the opposite direction. Then the resultant force is equal to the subtraction of these individual forces, that is 6 Newton minus 4 Newton is equal to 2 Newton. So here resultant force is 2 Newton. It is also the case of unbalanced forces. Now third case, if two forces acting on a body of same magnitude but acts in the opposite direction. Here two forces of equal magnitude 6 Newton acts on the body in the opposite direction. Then what is the resultant force? The resultant force is equal to 0 Newton. The resultant force is equal to 6 Newton minus 6 Newton is equal to 0 Newton.